I had gastric bypass a little over 9 years ago with Dr. Brathwaite. And at the time, I was actually working in the operating room. And I was working in the operating room with him. And I saw his patients come in and go out. And I started thinking, this is something I need to look into. Because when some of his patients would come back for other reasons, maybe have a gallbladder out or a hernia fixed, they were all so happy. And they looked at Dr. Brathwaite as the biggest thing to slice bread because he helped them get a hold of their life. And I started thinking, this is my chance. So I had my surgery in 2007. And at the time I had my twin boys were about 7 or so. So I wanted to be healthy, not only for me, but for them. And I'm not going to lie, in the beginning, it was a little struggle, dealing with nausea, dealing with changing my whole eating pattern and exercising. But it was a second chance to do everything right and to actually regain a life. I can cross my legs now. I can get on an airplane and not have to worry about fitting in the seat. I took my boys to the Bronx Zoo, and there's a camel ride. And I got on the camel, not because I like camels, but because I could without killing the poor animal. So it was an experience I never would have had if I hadn't taken control and had my procedure. So after losing 130 pounds, I had a new lease on life. I wasn't behind the camera. I wasn't on the sidelines. I was actually doing things. I was saying, well, why not? Let me try it. So it was the best thing I have ever done. And my boys are now seniors, about to graduate. They're healthy. I mean, they eat some junk food, but growing up with me and my post-op lifestyle, they have a better handle on what nutrition is, on being active. I didn't have to force broccoli on them. They kind of came to it on their own when they saw me eating healthier things and how I was changing. So not only did it change my life, it definitely changed theirs. And I also met my husband. He's a bypass patient also. So together, my whole family really has an understanding of the process I went through. And I wouldn't have traded it for anything in the world.